So funny story, I was at a party, I forgot where I was, in Noseyaba. My son comes up to me and he says in front of everybody, "Mommy, take this off, it's time to relax." I nearly died at the party. Hey guys, Ilsa here and welcome back to my channel. So if you are interested in getting your synthetic wig to look a little bit more natural, especially in the front and on the sides, please keep on watching. Hey guys, Ilsa here and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so your hair is washed, it's moisturized, and you are ready to put on your wig. I know I'm going to be wearing a wig with a middle part, so what I like to do is just get in here and part. I'm going to take these two out. So I like to just get in here and part these well. And be careful, if your hair is still wet, be gentle. And just part it directly down the middle. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect. And then I would just retwist this down. Okay. Then I would just braid these together. And I'm doing French braids. I find that French braids lay much better under my wigs. It's not as lumpy. And when I get to this part, I just twist. Do the same thing to the other side. When you get halfway down, you just twist. And you're just going to tuck the hair in. And that is it. Make sure everything is in. Okay. And then when you get to this part, I like to get a satin scarf. Spray my hair in the front so that it has something that it's going to mold to. Once you spray, press it down, and you put your scarf on. So I just leave my hair like this until I'm ready to put on my wig, and this front area will lay flat. So I'm gonna just leave it on for a little bit, and I'll come back on when I'm ready to put my wig on. All right, have a good day, guys. All right, so your hair should be set. Bless you, no Sayaba. God bless you. I have a new wig cap. My friends was joning on me about my old wig cap that had the holes in it. Okay. And so this is a different wig. It's not a headband wig. It's just a synthetic, like wavy wig. If I can find a link for it, I'll put it in the description box. So it has a strap for your head. They're really constructing these wigs a lot better, which is great. So hold on. So with this wig, it has the part in the middle. It has, like I said, the headband. Not a headband. Like, this is to secure it to your head. Some combs on the side and a comb in the back. And again, the stitching is done well. The wig does shed, so that's something to think about. So I like to put the strap on first. And then I like to adjust the wig to where my part is.
Why?
Just to give it a little bit of a more realistic look. It's hard to see it in the camera, but then I just brush it. This wig, I do like to use the side combs because it is a little big for my head.
I'll get back.
You gonna come back?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so now I just want to secure it with some bobby pins. So I like to secure it from underneath. No se llama. Alright, so this is pretty much it. When I'm wearing synthetic wigs, I don't like to leave a lot of my hair out. I don't like to leave my hair out, period, because I'm really trying to just be protective, especially in the winter time. I get a lot of my breakage during that time. No se llama, not too loud, okay? I'm filming. So I get a lot of breakage around that time and around this time. So I try to just do like protective styles wearing wigs and everything like that. So this is pretty much how I like to style the front of my hair. And like I showed you in the beginning, you just use some water. Those of you that are allowed to use the edge control and gel, you can really get creative with the front part and make sure that it's slicked down really nicely so it blends a little bit better with the wig. But this is pretty much all that I do. So I did add some lipstick. I started out with the video and realized I didn't have any lipstick on, so I did add some lipstick to the look, and that is it. If you look under here, it looks natural, like if the wind is blowing. You know, it's a synthetic wig. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be like a lace front, but this is how I like to get as close as possible to having a natural looking synthetic wig. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And it doesn't work? All right, hold on. Remember, you can't have all these things open, okay?
Okay.
So it should work now. Okay, go ahead. Let me finish the video. Okay, guys, so I hope you have a wonderful day. I will catch you guys in my next one. Like I said before, I had noticed that a lot of you guys that are watching my videos are not even subscribed. Like, what are you waiting for, right? Subscribe to my channel if you find my tips helpful, you find it interesting. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm gonna try my best to figure out a more standard uploading time so that you guys know exactly when I'm posting, and that's pretty much it. I'm really happy with how the wig and my hair turned out. My hair is freshly washed. I just feel good. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. I hope this video was helpful, and comment down below if this is something that you are willing to try for yourself. All right, have a good one. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, look at you making it to the end of the video. So if you are interested, I have some other links right here that you can click on to see what I do here on this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.